Today we are at Lorton, Virginia, and we are at the Laurel Hill Nike missile site. This is one of our over 400 parks in the Park Authority, and this park is really rich in natural and cultural resources. And today our Park Operations Division of the Fairfax County Park Authority, along with the other 5 divisions in the Park Authority and volunteers, have all gotten together today to help us restore this park, get the view shed more visible and more attractive to the public, as well as preserve and protect our natural and cultural resources. Also, we have a lot of team building going on here. We have employees that work for our agency for 25, 30 years, and they've never met some of the people they're working with today. So that's the byproduct we're getting with getting all this work done too. This outstanding group is working on preserving and protecting our natural and cultural resources at this park. That means removing invasive plants, removing debris that's been here for decades, as well as cleaning up the buildings, putting some protective coverings over the windows, locking up the doors to protect from vandalism and further weather deterioration. A lot of incredible history is in this area. As anyone can see who comes to the Lorton area, you also see a lot of needed development going on, and therefore holding on to those natural and cultural resources now is more important than ever. Also, in the future, when we as a park authority go through a master plan where we ask the public, what do you want to do with this site? Do you want it to be a natural site? Do you want it to be a cultural site? Do you want it to be a combination there, or do some passive or active recreation? The fact that the work we're doing today will actually save money towards those projects. If someone wants to find out more about these types of activities and what the Park Authority does, there's many venues in which they can do that. Best thing is go to our website. And at our website, you can look up natural resources, cultural resources, volunteer activities, as well as our programs.